How to fix Valorant alt tab problem, easy and quick. If you want to fix it, it's easy. First, just type here background apps. Now just turn off background apps and then go back, and now just try again. Try to launch Valorant as administrator, and if that doesn't fix your problem, then just restart your PC, and after restarting your PC, go to Riot Games folder, and as you see here I have a Riot Games folder. Then go to Valorant, Live, Shooter Game, Binaries, Win64, scroll down here you will find Valorant icon, right click, properties, and now compatibility. Make sure to disable this option, you will find it like that, disable it and then apply and okay, and that's it. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.